Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFella channel. Just local zones for ICP. We're more than okay to open maybe futures trade for ICP. What I don't like, we didn't drop to 0.5 level by FIP of this week. Still not drop. It's not unnecessary, so we will drop. But of course, it's much better when we form the normal healthy correction, and after that start climbing up to the top. And now I guess we will start climb to the take profit line on the 12 time frame. It's 430, exit line 482, daily time frame. We touch it 2 times the buy line, so this crash, bounce, drop. So by the way, we almost touched the yearly open, crash it down, test the buy line, bounce, test again the buy line on the daily time frame. So now the road can be open to 511, and we can start build, the downtrend local one on the daily time frame. So usually it can looks like this one. So the people will start draw the trend line like this one, but usually we can start forming something like this. And by end of January, we can reach $6, for example, exit line 586, crash it down. Worst case, if we drop again and trade it till end of February inside this triangle, and only after that going higher to the yearly open. But what I think we will form something like this one. It's going to be the boring chop and going to the main yearly open targets. So now let's focus only on this block. No makes sense to talk about global targets again. Global, of course, I'm more bullish for many altcoins, but with conservative price targets. So I highly recommend you go and check the main video about ICP to know the main targets. It's so obvious, so this stock will probably never reach again like 200 or 500 like people talk about it. So I highly recommend you go and check the most conservative price targets. Now the road is open to test 200 EMA on daily. It's 437. Take profit line 513. Exit line now it's about hypothetical downtrend line 582. When and if we will find the rejection at 582, it will be like confirmation. So this line chart downtrend line is correct. Support, of course, it's a buy line again, test 259, and fundamental value $1.94, 0.5 level by FIP of this week. So this is what I don't like, because we didn't, now we test on 12 time frame the 200 MA and didn't retest the 0.5 level by FIP of the week. And the buy line is exactly around this week. So for me, it's kind of strange, but now it's Wednesday, January 14th. So yes, in the next few days, we can, go to the take profit line on the 4 time frame 423, exit line 478, and test this downtrend line and start build, like a 3 drives pattern, but 1, 2, 3. 3 waves, triangle, and go higher. This is a line, it's a global downtrend line, which we will also one day will test it. All right, so locally, guys, I showed you with a trade on, take profit. I showed it, trade on, sell, a lot of buybacks, no signal, take close position. So let's add alert again to trade on, take profit from the sales from this one. So this is what I would like to see. Sell also on the daily was here in November. No signal to take a close position, take profit from the sell yet. So this is kind of scary. Weekly time frame. Now we will test the 20 EMA 399, 517, 50. 100 EMA 732, and definitely we will test 200 EMA. It's going to be the weekly time frame, but the lines are dynamic, and when we will test it, it's hard to say. And for example, if it will be the March, I don't know, the line can be around $11 sweep of this high. So just in case, monthly, also take a look. We leave the week, and if we should come back and close the 50% of that week, so it's exactly like 20 EMA on the monthly. It's 623. and 50 it's 12.76. So for me now this level like 624 take profit line on a daily, it's like a magnet. So approximately here it can be the that downtrend line, hypothetical one. So around here it can be the exit line, take profit line on a daily, or on a weekly, and rejection. So it makes sense to try fix some profit and open some short position, at this area. This also the liquidity pool. So $6 now like a magnet, bullish target, and for a potential entry for a short position locally, just local for the few or intraday or the for the few positions, trades for a few days to hold position. This is a magnet for the bearish one. Bearish case scenario, it's $2.09. Honestly, now I don't see any reason why we have to drop to $2.11, $2.09. Now all sentiment now more bullish. I mean, everybody in disbelief, but the same time it's more bullish. ADZ direction, guys, locally, daily. We're neutral direction, no signals to sell. 12 time frame, we at the top, but without signals to sell. But here we can start form divergence, guys. Here, this is a top. This is can be the top, another top, and we can reach the $6. No signals to sell based on direction indicator yet. 12 time frame, market smooth. It's a on the 12 time frame daily. It's kind of like optimism, not a trill. Weekly disbelief, total disbelief, depression. So yes, I think we will go a little bit higher. Money power weekly, some money in was December 22 at $2.92. Now no signals to sell, and we're at the bottom yet still. Here the money in was at 380 on the daily. So I guess that guys will allow it at the break even here, or fix initial deposit, not at the break even. They will be 100% in profit. So this is like a magnet. So mark with a flag. All right. Trade on I showed you, take profit I showed you. Here's a 12 time frame, guys. We pump it, but without any money inflow. It's kind of weird. So for me, when we form also something like this order flow, we will come back to close the 50% of this week. So it's so obvious. And I will be not surprised if approximately here, this one is, yes, 630, I like a target. So at this point, I got to add alert and wait for potential local short position, guys. Just a local one with maybe tiny stop loss here. Over this week, like 8% stop loss, even big one. So if 640, 30, 5 with cycle average 10. So it's the same like 1% with 10x. And the target, I don't know, can be like support this area. So 10 against 70 maybe. So I'm waiting this target. Crazy scenario. This is a level where I will be more than happy to open futures trade if we will dump from now 43%. Honestly, I don't think so. We will drop now to that low again, but we will see. So this is an entry for long, personally for me, and this is a local short position. To open long now, guys, it's hard to say where to add a stop loss. Under this level, it's like kind of big one, 19%. Even with the cycle average is 40% stop loss. It's not a big deal. It's not a deal. It's a big deal, I mean. So under this week, 7th, so 14 with the cycle average, kind of risky. Everything should be in time. That was a good entry. So on a sweep of liquidity. Now it's hard to say where to put it in order. So guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please in the comment what you think about ICP. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, Joe Matecom Show. See you next time, guys.